So how to fix iPhone internet not showing on your PC? You already connect your USB but not showing. So let's get started from a beginning. First of all, you have to insert your USB cable and make sure your cellular data is enabled and disable your Wi-Fi. Disable Wi-Fi and enable cellular data. And then second thing is go to your setting and go to personal hotspot and just enable personal hotspot. So once you enable personal hotspot, then you can see the notification on your PC like that. So once the notification comes, the second thing is minimize your PC and go to your this PC and press on manage, and under manage press on device manager, and under device manager press on network adapter. Then you can see Apple mobile device. Just update this drive, search automatically for drive, and it's automatically update. My one is automatically update with latest on. So if you see the check for update, then just check for update, and then go to your control panel, then press on control panel, and then press on network, and then network and sharing center, press on adapter, this one. Then you can see the internet is come here. So that's it. This is how you can easily fix your problem. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.